Imagine your money growing while you sleep. Sound like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make that a reality. Welcome to Automate Your Will, Smart Investment Simplified. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will know how to automate your finance to create consistent, stress-free wealth. Why is automation the secret weapon for building wealth? It's simple. Automation removes the guesswork and ensure that you are investing regularly without getting caught up in the emotion of the market. This is crucial, especially for beginners who might be overwhelmed with the options available. If you are starting out, the first thing you need is a clear understanding of your financial goal. Are you saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or aiming for financial independence? Once your goal are set, automation can take over. Trust me, the simpler, the better. Now, let's dive into the fun part. Investment strategy you can automate today. Strategy number one, index fund. Index fund are low cost. Diversify investment that mirror the performance of the markets. Automate your contribution through your broker or employer sponsor plan. Set it and forget it. It's that easy. Strategy number two, Robo-advisor. These are AI-powered platforms that create and manage your portfolio for you. Platforms like Betterment or Webform make investing accessible and handful. Strategy number three, high-yield saving and bonds. Now ready for the stock market? Automate transfer into high-yield saving account or bond can still generate return while keeping your money safe.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
Why automation is powerful is important to check in on your portfolio regularly. Avoid neglecting fee or over-diversify. A little attention here can boost your return significantly. Ready to automate your will journey? Let me know your favorite strategy in the comments below. And remember, if you need help with data analysis, financial insight, or data visualization for your business, I'm here to assist you. Reach out anytime for tailored solutions that deliver real results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Here to your financial success. Stay blessed.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.